Okay guys, what we're going to be making today are microwave brownies. So this is enough for like 1 to 2 people. Okay, just a normal size mug is what you need. We're going to start off with all our dry ingredients in here first. So it's going to be 1/4 cup of flour, then 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then we're going to go ahead and put the water. It's going to be 3 tablespoons of water, which I already measured out in this little bowl. Then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. We also need a little bit of salt. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and stir really well until it's totally mixed together. It should kind of look like batter. Make sure not to get it stuck to the mug. Okay. Mix really well so you don't see any powder at all. And go ahead and scrape off the chocolate from the spoon that you're using to mix. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay, so it was 1 minute and 40 seconds, so you can see it is done. You can add a scoop of ice cream or put a little bit of whipped cream, and it's good to eat. And you can split it with another person, or you can just enjoy the whole thing with by yourself. Okay. If you do this at home, go ahead and send me your pictures, and I can post it on our class Instagram. Thanks, guys.